Hi dears, in this video I will tell you about the process of ovulation and fertility in females, and how can these two play the key role for your pregnancy. Many couple wants to get pregnant as early as possible, but they are getting late due to their unawareness about this process. So watch this video till end to get pregnant fast.
Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my new videos.
Did you know about ovulation and fertility? How can ovulation and fertility play an important role to get pregnant? Ovulation is the release of a mature egg during menstruation in females. Part of the ovary called the ovarian follicle discharges an egg. It is only released on reaching maturity. After release, the egg travels down the fallopian tube, where it may be met by a sperm and become fertilized. Fertilization is also known as conception of child in humans. It is a process of combining the male sperm with the female egg. Facts you must know to help you get pregnant fast. 1. Monthly menstrual cycle. When you know your menstrual cycle, you improve your chances of getting pregnant. The first phase starts with the first day of bleeding during your period. Your body releases hormones like follicle-stimulating hormone that make the eggs inside your ovaries grow. Between days 2 and 14, those hormones also help thicken the lining of your uterus to get ready for a fertilized egg. This is called the follicular stage. 2. What happens during ovulation? The average menstrual cycle is 28 to 35 days. Ovulation usually happens between days 11 and 21 of your cycle. A hormone called luteinizing hormone surges, triggering the release of the egg that is most ripe. At the same time, your cervical mucus becomes more slippery to help sperm make their way to the egg. 3. Egg releasing timing in female. Women are born with about 1 million to 2 million eggs, but release only 300 to 400 through ovulation during their lifetimes. Usually you release just one each month. The egg travels along one of the two fallopian tubes that connect your ovaries to your uterus. If the timing is right, sperm may fertilize it on its way to the uterus. If fertilization doesn't happen within 24 hours of the egg leaving the ovary, the egg dissolves. Sperm can live for about 3 to 5 days, so knowing when you are ovulating can help you and your partner plan sex for when you're most likely to conceive. 4. Your most fertile phase. Generally, the best chance of pregnancy is when intercourse happens 1 to 2 days before ovulation. If you have a regular 28-day cycle, count back 14 days from when you expect your next period to start. Plan on having sex every other day around the days 12 and 14. Keep in mind that having sex every day may lower a man's sperm count. 5. Check ovulation by temperature. After your body releases an egg, the hormone progesterone kicks in to build and maintain the lining of the uterus. It makes your body temperature go up slightly. So taking your temperature with a basal thermometer every morning before you get out of bed can help you figure out if you ovulated. You can buy these thermometers at the drugstore. They're inexpensive, but they aren't as accurate as other ways of tracking ovulation. 6. Predict ovulation by hormone. A surge in luteinizing hormone triggers your ovaries to release an egg. The surge usually happens 36 hours before the egg is released. Ovulation kits check luteinizing hormone levels in your urine to help you pinpoint the day of ovulation. These kits, which you can buy at the drugstore, are convenient and highly accurate. You may want to test 1 to 2 days before you expect the surge so you can note the rise in luteinizing hormone.